Hello friends, this is Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with lesson 6, Winning Freedom. What we are going to learn today, Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, about the Saunders, about the Lala Lajpat Rai, about Home Rule League, about Bhagat Singh, Butkeshwar Dutt, Chandrasekhar Azad, and India's struggle for freedom. As we discussed, some revolutionaries were hanged. After their hanging, the leaders of the movement secretly met in Delhi. They established the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, that is what HSRA, in 1928 was a revolutionary party set up by Ram Prasad Bismil and his associates to fight against the British colonial rule in India and achieve independence for the country through an armed rebellion if necessary. Now here we have the image of Ram Prasad Bismillah. Next, we will see about the young Bhagat Singh was the main speaker of HSRA. They were intent on spreading their ideas primarily amongst the farmers, students and workers. In December 1928, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru with the help of Chandrasekhar Azad killed a police officer called Saunders. Here we have the image of Saunders. Saunders was responsible for the death of Lala Lajpat Rai in a police lathi charge during a peaceful protest. Lala Lajpat Rai founded the Home Rule League of America in 1917 in New York. In USA, he worked to get the moral support for the Indian independence movement from the international community. He was also elected president of All India Trade Union Congress. He earned the title Punjab Kesari and Lion of Punjab. Here we have the image of Lala Lajpat Rai. The murder of Saunders was welcomed with a great enthusiasm by ordinary people all over the country to turn them into a national heroes. In 1929, Bhagat Singh and Butkeshwar Dutt hurled harmless bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly to make the deaf hear and scattered HSRA leaflets to spread their messages. Put a look on Bhagat Singh and Butkeshwar Dutt. Chandrasekhar Azad was one of the greatest Indian freedom fighters. He is a pioneer of Bharatiya independence. His courage and patriotism inspired several people of his generation. It is said that he was the mentor of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh and his aides, including put a look on Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar. Azad were killed in 1931. After this, some revolutionary activity continued, often to avenge the death of these heroes, but with little impact. In 1938, the most long-lived revolutionary organization, the Yugantar, formally decided to dissolve itself. It was a Bengali weekly newspaper as two different groups came to exist in India. Those are moderates and extremists. Here we have the image of Chandrasekhar Azad and the newspaper Yugantar. India's struggle for freedom in 1915, and India who had gone to South Africa to be a lawyer, returned to India. This leader was M.K. Gandhi. He did not believe in violence and urged the Indians to follow the path of ahimsa or non-violence. He believed that violence would simply cause more violence. He introduced the concept of satyagraha for adherence to the truth. He was ready to break unjust rules by passive resistance. Here we have the image of M.K. Gandhi. What is Satyagraha? Sanskrit Satyagraha is the idea of non-violent resistance, fighting with peace, started by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi used satyagraha in the Indian independence movement and also during his earlier struggle. In South Africa, truth with non-violence is the only pure means to achieve the goal of peaceful world order. He was ready to break unjust rule by passive resistance. If the British beat him or sent him to the prison, he would gladly accept it. Most importantly, he did not hate them. This was Gandhi's method of satyagraha. Here we have image. It symbolizes his way of satyagraha. This part of it we will continue in next session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.